It is. It's your boy Super. I'm in the lab right now, just working on some stuff. Working with the machine. Loving this piece right here, man. Just working on some stuff. That's pretty much the layout. I just wanted to do was doing the track, just working on the track as a skeleton. It's coming out real good, man. I'm gonna eventually bring it into Logic. Right now it's a machine on the standalone. It's not on Logic, it's by itself. So started chopping up a sample that I was working on. Now I'm just trying to make it up. It's a dope track. It's a trap music type track. So I'm gonna post it up here. Let me know what y'all think about it. Tell me. Alright, here we go. Yeah, but that's just a skeleton. Right now it's just basically working on it. Just like the flow of Maschine is so dope. So if you don't got one, I suggest you try to get one. Alright? Here we go. Once again, we out.